Please try out this sum. Let me send it also. Okay, let us do this. There are 3 sections in a question paper and each section has 10 questions. Okay, 3 sections are there and each section has 10 questions. First section only has multiple choice questions, MCQs, first section, and 2 marks will be awarded for each correct answer in the first section. Okay, first section has only multiple choice question and 2 marks will be awarded for each correct answer. For each wrong answer, 0.5 marks will be deducted. Okay. Any unattempted question in this section will be treated as wrong answer. Each question in the second section carries 3 marks, whereas each question in the third section carries 10 marks. For any wrong answer or unattempted question in the second and third sections, no marks will be deducted. A student's score is the addition of the marks obtained in all the sections. What is the sixth highest possible score? What is the sixth highest possible score? See, what is the total maximum marks that a student can get? What is the total maximum marks that a student can get? 10 questions from section A, right? So 20. 10 questions are there in section A, each carries 2 marks. So 20 plus, in section B, there are 10 questions and carries how many marks? 3 marks. So 30 plus, in section C, there are again 10 questions carrying 5 marks. So 50. So that means 100 marks. Yes or no? This is the maximum marks that a student can get. Now that means this is the highest. Now what is the second highest? See, second highest can be that one question is wrong in section A, because if a student makes a question wrong in section A or does not attempt a question in section A, then he loses the minimum amount of marks, which is 0.5. Okay, subtraction. Okay, so second highest means what? One incorrect answer in section A. So that is 100 minus how much?
0.5.
Hold on. Okay, so if the person is making one incorrect question in section A, then that means what? How many corrects are there? 99 corrects are there, right? If one incorrect is there in section A, uh, then that means one incorrect. So that means he made 9 correct in section A, right? He made 9 correct in section
Yes,
A.
sir.
So 9 correct in section A means 9 to the 18 and rest all correct. Okay, so this is the marks he has obtained minus, this is the marks he has obtained minus, in section A he has made one wrong. Now for one wrong he is going to lose 0.5. Okay, he has done 9 correct in section A, so 18 marks, and all correct in section B and C. So he is going to get how much? 98. Yes, 98. Now because of that one mistake in section A, 0.5 marks is going to go off. So that means 97.5 is the second idea. Yes or no? You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now what can be the third highest? Third highest can be that one question is wrong in section B. Third highest means what? One question is wrong in section B. So that means, so let us see that whether we get just a smaller highest than 97.5 or not. So all questions are correct in section A, which is 20. All question is correct in section C, which is 50. And in section B, one question is wrong. So that means in section B, how many questions are there? 9 are there. And each has 3 marks, so 27. Right? 97. Yes or no? There is no negative marking. Right? There is no negative marking because that is what it has been said, that in section B and C there is no negative marking. So 97. Did you understand till here? See, just below 97.5, 97 is the highest marks that he can get. Bolo, if anybody has any doubt.
Understood, sir.
Okay, fourth highest is what? One question is wrong in section C. That means in section A all correct, section B all correct, section C one is wrong. So that means he attempted how many? 9 questions. 9 5s are 45. So 95. Right? This is the maximum he can get. Fifth highest, one question is wrong in section A and B. So see, first of all, to get the highest, one question was wrong in section A, just that's it. Then to get the third highest, one question was wrong in section B, no negative marking. To get the fourth highest, one question was wrong in section C, no negative marking. Now to get the fifth highest, one question wrong in section A and one question wrong in section B. So one question is wrong in section A, so that means 9 questions correct, so 18. If 9 questions are correct in section B, then 27, and all questions correct in section C, so 50. And since one question is wrong in section A, so 0.5 subtraction. Why? Because there is negative marking. Yes or no? So
Yes,
if
sir.
I just add it, there is going to be 94.5. This is the fifth highest. Okay. Now let us see the sixth highest. Sixth highest. So what is the sixth highest? So in this case, two questions wrong in section B. Okay. So if you check all questions correct in section A, that is 20. 8 questions correct in section B, so that is I think 24. All questions correct in section C, that is 50. That is going to be 94. You see the previous one was 94.5. So the next smallest one should be, the next biggest one should be 94. So that means 94 is the highest, say sixth highest. Did you understand?